Getting the right fit with your WF-1000XM6 is more important than you think. It can affect your sound quality and the noise cancellation performance of your buds, which are probably two of the main reasons you bought or are considering buying them. First up is getting your buds out of the case. The easiest way is to reach across the bud with your pointer finger and then curl it out of the case. Then grasp them with your thumb and middle finger with your pointer finger on the back. For the left bud, you will feel a tiny raised bump that indicates you have the left bud in hand. This is great if you have trouble seeing or are in the dark when you're grabbing your buds. From there, bring your left bud up to your ear and tilt the back end forward. Slowly push the tip into your ear canal and tilt the bud back to insert it into your ear like this. Then repeat this process for the right earbud. Once both earbuds are in, give them a few seconds to let the tips expand and seal properly. I will now go through the manual or analog method to check whether your earbud tips are the correct size. If you want, you can skip ahead to testing with the app for a more digital process. Alright, now it is time to check if there is a gap between the bud tips and your ear canal. If you can hear sound leaking in, chances are either the tip is too small or not seated properly. Try reseating them as previously shown and give them a second to expand. If the sound is still there, try a larger size. Pro tip: if your issue is with only one ear, that ear may require a different size tip, so do not be afraid to mix and match if needed. Also, if the buds don't fit all the way in or keep popping out of your ear, try the smallest size and work your way up until you find the right fit. The buds should fit comfortably in your ears with the tips fully in your ear canals. Now it is time to go high tech and check your fit with the Sony Sound Connect app. This app is free to download and is essential for getting the absolute most out of your buds in terms of performance and convenience. So download it and let's get started. With the buds on and paired, open the app and scroll down to device settings. Then select wearing and then check wearing condition and earbud tips. Then finally select determines optimal earbud tips. There, you can test the ones you have on or go through all the sizes. I'm a fan of all the sizes because it leaves nothing to question later. This is a new feature. Some steps may differ. Make sure you try this out and provide the proper steps to complete it. The next step is to check if you're wearing them correctly. This feature is also available in the app. Head back to device settings, wearing, and checking wearing condition and earbud tips. Then select checking wearing condition. This part of the app uses your camera to double check your buds are in correctly. Just make sure your whole ear is visible, no hair or anything covering it. Hit start, follow the prompts, and make sure to keep your head up straight. Once complete, you should see this, indicating they are being worn correctly. If not, adjust your buds and try again. When you know you're wearing them correctly and have the right tips in, the only thing left to do is to sit back and enjoy your new WF-1000XM6 earbuds. Thanks for watching!